Regression. First of all, we have to import libraries that are used in Python, which are import NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn and others. Next, we have to use Booston dataset is already built in sklearn library with DSCR command to print the characteristic of Booston housing prices. Next, we print the database on a data frame. Use the column name column. It is produces column of output as with 506 rows and 13 columns. To display only one column, we can use a syntax Booston tags. Now we will assign the target, which are the prices that we need to predict to find the minimum and maximum value in particular column using the minimum and maximum function. Now let's see how we conclude the Booston and target frame. Now we can conclude data frame using describe function, and also we can round off the data value any decimal point using round function. Next, we have to visualize the data set to find the feature which target is highly descendant. Now we can see that the target is highly correlated with LSTAT. Now we have to visualize the data set to find the feature which the target is highly descendant on. We can see target LSTAT, LSAT. We can also normalize the data using minimum and maximum scalar function to find the mean error function, update function, gradient descent function. In a gradient descent function, we'll return mean square value which is less than the error threshold. Thank you.